Hello everyone. The headline of our lesson for today is linear models and rate of change. Definition. The slope of a non-vertical line passing through the point x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by the formula. The slope m equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The difference of y coordinates over the difference over x coordinates. The condition here is x1 not equal to x2, because if x1 equal to x2, then I have undefined term. This formula is for non-vertical line. For a vertical line, the slope of vertical line, which is its equation is x equal b, is undefined. Every vertical line has undefined slope. The equation of a line with a slope m passing through the point x1, y1 is given by the formula y minus y1 equal to m, the slope, times x minus x1. This formula called point slope formula. Let us solve some examples. Find the slope of the line passing through the points -2, -3, and -2, -3, and -2, 3. Here, since the x coordinate is the same value, then the slope of this line is undefined. Let us apply the formula of finding the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1, 3 minus 3 over x2 minus x1 minus 2. 3 plus 3, 6 over -2 plus 2, 0. It is undefined term. Example number 2. Find the slope of a line passing through these 2 points, 3, -4, and 5, 2. The slope is equal to y2 minus y1. This is y2, this is y1. 2 minus 4 over x2 minus x1, 5 minus 3 equal to 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 5 minus 3, 2 equal to 3. Example number 3, -2, 4, 5, 4. Here, the y coordinate is the same value. Hence, the slope is 0. Let us see. y2 minus y1, 4 minus 4 over x2 minus x1 equal to 0 over 7 equal to 0. Example number 4. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, -1 and has a slope of m equal to over 3. I'll apply the formula of point slope. Y minus y1 equal to slope x minus x1. Y minus y1, y minus y1, it is -1, equal to the slope 2 over 3 times x ناقص x1, it is 2. Simplify this function. Y plus 1 equal to 2 over 3x minus 4 over 3. Y equal to 2 over 3x minus 4 over 3 minus 1. The standard form is 2 over 3x minus 7 over 3. Example. Find which one is the equation of the line passing through the point -1, 2 and has undefined slope. Undefined slope means the equation of this line is x equal a number. What number? It's the x coordinate here. Then choice number B. Example, which one? of this four equation is the equation of the line passing through the point 1, -2 and has the slope of m equals 0. Slope m equals 0, it means the equation is y equal a number. What number? It's -2. Then choice number C is the right choice. Example, find the equation of the line passing through the point 0, 5 and has slope as m equal -2. Use form point slope form equation of line equation. Y minus y1 equal m, x minus x1, y minus y1 5 equal to slope -2, x ناقص x1 0. Then y minus 5 equal to -2x, then y equal to -2x minus plus 5. This is the equation of this line. It is useful here to list the different forms of the equation of a line. We have 6 forms. The first one is called general form, ax plus by plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers. The second one is for vertical line, x equal k. K is any real number. Third number is for a horizontal line, is y equal a number, any real, k is any real number. Fourth one is called point slope form, y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Fifth one is called slope intercept point. Here b, it's y intercept point, and m is a slope, y equal mx plus b. The last one is called xy intercept form. Here a is x-intercept and b is y-intercept. X over a plus y over b equal 1. Example, find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points, -2, -3, and -2, 3. Since the x coordinate is equal, then the equation of this line is x equal -2. Another example, find the equation of the line passing through the points 7, 9 and 11, 9. Here, since the y coordinate is the same value, then the equation of this line is y equal 9. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 0, 2, -3, 0. Here, the points are y-intercept and x-intercept. Then I can use xy-intercept forms to find the equation of this line. X over a plus y over b equal 1. Then x over a, it is x-intercept, -3, plus y over b, it is y-intercept, 2 equal 1. If I want to write this equation in general form, I multiply both sides by 6. Another example, find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. As you see, it is y-intercept and x-intercept. I can use the same form before. X over -3 over 5 plus y over 2 over 3 equal 1. Simplify this equation. -5x over 3 plus 3y over 2 equal 1. Another example, find point on the graph of the line passing through the point 2, -4 and has a slope of m equal 1/2. If I want to find another point on this graph, I must find the equation first, then I can find many points on it. I'll apply point slope form, y minus y1 equal to slope x minus x1. I have the slope and I have point. Y minus the point, minus 4, equal to the slope, x minus x1, 2. Simplify, y plus 4 equal to 1 half x minus 1. Then y equal to 1 half x minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Now I can find the point on this graph, on this line. The given point is when x2, it's negative 4. When x0, let me set x0, then it is negative 5. If I set x4, then 4 over 2, 2 minus 5, negative 3. Find point on the graph of the line passing through the point 3, negative 1 with the slope 0. Since the slope is 0, then the equation is y equal a number. What is the number? It is y coordinate in the point. Then the equation of this line is y equal negative 1. I can found many points on this line. Y its scalar is negative 1. If I set here 3, negative 1 is the given point, I can set any point here, negative 2. Find point on the graph of the line passing through the point 5, negative 2 with undefined slope. Undefined slope means the equation is x equal a number. What is number? It is the x coordinate in the point. Now, x is scalar, it is 5, and the value of y changed, negative 2 to 0. That's it. Note, we have 4 kinds of lines, no more. Line takes this direction. This line has positive slope. Every line take this direction has positive slope. Line take this direction. This line has negative slope. Horizontal line, any horizontal line above or under x-axis has slope of m equal 0. And the vertical line, any vertical line to the right or left of y-axis has undefined slope. Example, it is word problem example. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and boils at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The needed is write a linear equation to convert degrees from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let me sketch the graph of this problem first. I set the horizontal axis for the Celsius degree and the vertical axis for the Fahrenheit degrees. When Celsius is 0, Fahrenheit is 32. This is the coordinate of this point. It is y-intercept point. When Celsius is 100, then the Fahrenheit is 212. The coordinate of this point is 100, 212. I want to find the line, the equation of this line. Since I have 2 points lie on the line, then I can easily find this equation. I apply the y slope form, x minus x1 equal 0. Let me find the slope first. The slope equal to, here this point is x2, y2, and this point is x1, y1. y2 minus y1, 212 minus 32, over x2 minus x1, 100 minus 0. Here it is 0, 8, 1 over 100. It is 1.8. Now I apply the form y minus y1, 32. Or I can apply the slope intercept form y equal to mx plus b. Since I have the y-intercept, it is easiest. Y equals the slope 1.8 x plus b, the y-intercept 32. This is the equation, the linear equation to convert degrees from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Another word problem example, a company pays a truck driver 15,000 dinar per day for food and rest, and 350 dinar for every kilometer he drives. Write a function that forms a model to calculate what company pays to the driver in terms of the number of kilometers. Then another needed, how much does the company pay the driver if he drove 137 kilometers? Let P it's the company payment. Let T its number of kilometers, and let M is rate of change. It is equal to 350. Let F equal to fixed expenses. It is equal to 15,000 dinars. Now, the company payment is the rate of change, 350 dinars, times number of kilometers plus fixed expenses. This is the equation of company payment to the driver. When the driver drove 137 kilometers, then I'll set T equal to 137 and find the value of company payment equal to 62,950 dinars. Example, another word problem example. A small business purchases a piece of equipment for 875,000 dinar. After 5 years, the equipment will be outdated, having no value. The needed are three. Write a linear equation giving the value of equipment in terms of time. Let me sketch the graph of this problem. The horizontal axis, I set it for the time, and the vertical line for the value of equipment, for the cost of equipment. Cost of equipment. See. Now, when time is 0, the purchases, the value was 875,000. Then the coordinate of this point is 0, 875,000. After 5 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the value of equipment will be 0. Then I want to find the equation of this line. The coordinate of this point is 5, 0. I have 2 points placed on the line, then I find easily I can find the equation of this line. Let me find the slope first. This is x1, x2, y2, and this is x1, y1. y2 minus y1, 0 minus 875,000 over x2 minus x1, 5 minus 0, equal to negative 875,000 over 5 equal to negative 175,000. This is the slope. I told you before, every line take this direction has a negative slope. Now, since I have y-intercept point, I can use the formula of slope intercept form, mx plus b. Y equal to slope 175,000, x plus the y-intercept 875,000. This is the linear equations of this line. Now, find the value of the equipment when t is 2. I want to find the coordinate of this point. I set t2 here, t, and here is the cost. We have no x and y, we have c and t. Then the value or the cost is negative 175,000 times 2 plus 875,000. The answer is 525,000 dinar. This is needed too. After how many years the value of equipment will be 175,000? The value, the cost of the equipment, I'll set it 175,000 equal to, here I want to find t. Negative 175,000 times t plus 875,000. Now, 175,000 t equal to 875,000 minus 175,000. Then t equal to 875,000 minus 175,000. It is 700,000 over 175,000. It's equal to 4 years. Example, another word problem example. The purchase price of a new machine is 12,550,000 dinar. Its value will decrease by 850,000 dinar each year, every year. After how many years the needed is? After how many years the price equal to 4,900,000 dinar at purchasing time. Let me sketch the graph of this problem. The horizontal axis is for time. The vertical line is for the price of the machine. When time is 0, the price of the machine was 12,550,000 dinar. This is the coordinate of y-intercept here. Its value will decrease by 850,000 dinar each year. Then we have this direction. The price will decrease every year by 850,000 dinar. So the rate of change is negative. It is negative 850,000 dinar. Since it is decreased every year 850,000 dinar, then the slope of this line is negative 850,000. Then the price of the machine equal to the slope times the time plus the y-intercept 12,550,000. This is the linear equation of this problem. After how many years the price will equal to 4,900,000? Here I want to find the value of t equal negative 850,000 times t plus 12,550,000. Then 850,000 times t equal to 12,550,000 minus 4,900,000. Then t equal to 12,550,000 minus 4,900,000 is 7,650,000 divided by 850,000. The answer is 9 years. Example, the population of a city was 3,687,000 in 1990 and 4,042,000 in 2000. What was the average rate of change of the population? We want to find the slope or the rate of change of population. Then in 1990 the population was 3,687,000. In 2000 the population became 4,042,000. Find the slope of these 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, then y2 minus y1, 4,042,000 minus 3,687,000 over 2000 x2 minus 1990 equal to 2000 minus 1990, it's 10, and the numerator 355,000 divided by 10, then the answer is 3,055. So 35,500, it is the rate of change. Example, it's a word problem. The ramp rises at a height of 6 feet on a raft that is 21 feet long. What was the slope of the ramp? Let me sketch the graph of this problem. This is the ramp. It rises to 6 feet, this point, and the length of the raft is 21. This point is 21, and the coordinate of this point is 21 by 6, and the coordinate of origin are 0, 0. We want to find the slope of this line here. Since I have 2 points placed in the line, I can easily find the slope of this line. Let me call this x2, y2, and this one x1, y1. Then the slope equal to y2 minus y1, 6 minus 0, over x2 minus x1. Then 6 over 21 reduced by 3, 2 over 7. The slope of the ramp is 2 over 7. Example, a man looks at a plane in the sky at horizontal distance of 600 meters with an inclination angle of 60 degrees. What is the slope of the straight line that joins the plane and the man's eyes? Let me sketch the graph. This point is the plane and this point is the man here. The distance is 600 here. This point, the coordinate of this point are 600 by, we want here the y coordinate. The angle is 60 degree. This point is 0, 0. We want to find the slope of this line. To find the slope of this line, I need to find the y coordinate here, which I call it h. I have the angle 60 degree, then I can use the tan law. 6 tan 60 equals 2 opposite over adjacent. Adjacent equal to opposite, it is unknown, h. Adjacent is given to me 600, and tan 60 is square root 3. Then h will be 600 square root 3. I can substitute here 600 square root 3. Then the slope will be y2 minus y1, 600 square root 3 minus 0 over x2 minus x1 equal to square root 3 is the slope of the straight line joins the man's eyes with the plane. Example, the height of a tree was 12 meters. The height of this type of a tree increases average 0.09 meter per year. Write a linear model that expresses the height of this type of a tree after t years. The second needed, after how many years the height of this type of tree will be 18 meters. Since, let me sketch the graph of this problem. The height was 12 meters when t is 0. The average rate of change is 0.09. Then the tree increases. The average, it is positive. Then the height equal to the average rate of change 0.09 times year plus the y-intercept here plus 12. Since when we plant this tree, its length was 12, then 12 is the y-intercept. This is the linear model of this problem. After how many years the height will of this tree will be 18. I set height 18 and find the number of year. Then 0.09t equal to 18 minus 12, then t equal to 6 over 0.09 equal to 66.66 years. Example, this diagram shows a point P, this is point P, 8 meters far from the building. This is the building here. And the distance between P and the building is 8 meters. From the base of the building, find the height of the building. We want to find the height of this building. Since he give me the angle here, I can use the tan rule. Tan 60 equal to opposite over adjacent. Tan 60 is square root 3 equal to h over 8, then h equal 8 square root 3 meter. See you next lesson.